condenser unit control board failure signs can totally mess up your air conditioning and leave you sweating when you least expect it. So, first off, if your AC is acting all weird, like it won't turn on at all, or it's running but not cooling properly, that's a big red flag. Your control board might be toast. Another thing to watch for is if the outdoor fan isn't spinning even though the unit sounds like it's trying to run. Sometimes you might notice weird clicking noises or the unit cycling on and off like it has some kind of weird mood swings. If your electric bill suddenly spikes without a reason, that could be because the control board is struggling to manage power properly. You can also check if the display lights on the unit are flashing weird error codes or just not lighting up when they should. When replacing the control board, make sure you get one that exactly matches your condenser model number. Mixing them up just causes headaches. Also, always cut off power before touching anything inside the unit to stay safe. And if you're not super confident with electrical stuff, calling a pro can save you time and stress. One of the biggest mistakes people make with condenser unit control board issues is ignoring early warning signs like inconsistent cooling or strange noises, which only leads to bigger problems down the line. Fix this by checking your unit regularly and acting fast. Another common issue is trying to replace the control board without confirming compatibility, which can fry your system even more. Always double-check model numbers and specs before buying parts. Lastly, folks often overlook safety precautions like shutting off power before inspecting or working on the condenser unit, risking serious injury. Always switch off the breaker and test with a voltage tester if you have one. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners who want to find trustworthy local contractors without the hassle of endless searching or second guessing. It also helps contractors connect with people looking for their skills, making it easier to get steady work and build a solid reputation.